everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the job opportunities for Business Central. So before we proceed, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and join this channel, join my community. So what is the benefit of joining this community is what this opportunity will be first visible for the members, and after 2 or 3 days, might be it may take even 5 days to be available for the general users. Okay, so you can just click on this particular button to join, or else you can subscribe to the channel. And here, this is actually the playlist where I'll be updating about the job opportunities, not only for Business Central, even for Power BI. If you want any specific technology related job opportunities, please comment that. I'll be updating that here. Okay, so you can click on any video, you can see that the joining option will be here. Okay, you can join if you want to get the early access, or else you can even find, if you couldn't find this join option, you can check here. So here you can join the channel. Okay, and if you want any specific guidelines, like if you want any guidance for you as a personal guidance, so please schedule a call with me. So you can find the link in the description here. Okay, you can schedule the call here. Okay, and this is my ebook store. You can find the question and answers, interview related question and answers here. So let us go to the very first job opportunity which I wanted to tell you is what Microsoft Dynamics Business Central developer. So this is the company. Okay, the Pegasus. So this is the company. I think Pegasus. Okay, so they are the publisher. Actually, they are children's book publisher. They are looking for the Microsoft Dynamics Business Central developer, and you can see here, this is they have posted only 21 hours ago. Okay, they are the excellent publishers. I'm not telling you that they how their work culture and everything will be. I'm not explaining anything about that. You have to cross check. Okay, so stay till the end where I'll be telling you how you have to find the jobs. Okay, so you can see here, first thing you have to see is what is all about the company and what is exactly they're expecting from you. Okay, so this is what the company and the role description. Okay, so here you can see that they are, I think they are expecting for the experienced people. So you can find, just if you scroll down, you can learn more about it. They are finding for the experienced people, so because they have mentioned like technical bug fixing, API development using REST and JSON. So these are only possible for the experience, at least 3 to 5 years of experience and above. Okay, so what you have to do is what you have to check at least 5 or 6 is 6 points can be satisfied by you. Okay, so if it is fine, then just try to apply and check, because as we cannot satisfy all these things, but at least if you know few things, you can apply and see whether the first round you can clear the first round. Okay, so what are the job matches, like what are the skills they are expecting? This you can see, like show the qualification details. So here they are expecting these skills like CAL. You should know the AL programming, client side AL programming, enterprise resource planning, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, Microsoft Visual Studio Code, RTL, SQL Server, reporting server, Microsoft Dynamics Nav. So you have to check all these things, like what they are asking. So please try to add that in the LinkedIn. Okay, I found this in the LinkedIn job, so you can also find it. So here you can see that applicant seniority level. So for this particular job, okay, what level of people has already applied, you can see complete details here. So 14 entry level applicants has been applied, 8 senior level applicant, 1 CXO level applicant, and 1 director level applicant. Okay, and what is the education level, what is who has applied already, what is the education level of that particular persons. So you can also see here. Okay, so if you want to learn more about this particular company, you can just go and search for it, or else you can also search for this company. Okay, so you can even you can just go ahead and search for that company, like in the um, we have something called Glassdoor. Okay, so Glassdoor is a website where you can find what like existing employee who are working there will might have posted any reviews about this particular company, so you can learn from there. Okay, the second opportunity which has been posted, I think within one day, like 24 hours. Okay. So technical consultant, business central applicant. So it's an on-site and it's a full-time. And this is like Talent Works is the company name. Okay. And it's easy apply in the sense you can simply select and apply here. And what are the skills they're expecting? So you can just go ahead and see. So these are the skills they're expecting: business requirement, Microsoft Dynamics 365, Azure SQL. Okay, so before you apply, you just to see whether you have added all these. Like, see, I'm not asking you to add it without having the skill. Okay, if you have the skill, but if it is not mentioned in your resume, or if it is not updated in your LinkedIn profile, it is better to go ahead and add it. Got it? So here, yeah, actually this is the hiring team. I think Naveen Kishore, he is the hiring team from Talent X Works. You can send a message. I request you not to over dump their message, like simply asking, hi, how are you, how, when can I, don't ask silly questions. Okay, straight to the point, just introduce yourself and tell you're interested in this particular job, like what is the next procedure. Simply you can ask. Okay, so you can if you have LinkedIn account, you can directly apply. Before apply, just try to go and see whether these skills are there. Okay, because here they have mentioned like they need what they need, these skills. Okay, what are the skills they require? Two skills match my profile. Okay, but sometimes we might not have added properly, so we may have that skill but we might not have added. So what you should do, you should click on the show qualification details. Okay, so once if you click on the show qualification details, you can see something here with what are the other qualification you want. Just simply add it. Okay, once if you simply add that, like if you click on that add button, it will ask you where did you learn that. So just select where did you learn from, in which position, being in which position you have learned. If you add that, it will be added in your skills as well. Okay, so you can see 3 of 5 skills matches my profile. So if you really have the skill, please add it. So here you can see the complete information, like one day ago 5 applicants, already 5 people has applied for this. Okay, and you can see that what is the status of that 5 applications. So 5 applicants, 4 applicants in the past day, 4 entry level applicants, though it is showing lot of details, 4 years of experience in implementing Dynamics 365 Business Central. But even the entry level people has applied for. Okay, and 1 to 5 applicants from India, 1 to 5 applicants from the Madurai area, and 1 to 5 applicants from Greater Chennai area. So was India. Okay, so you can try, if you have at least of 3 to 5 years of experience, please try applying here. So I will be posting about the details about all these job opportunities and everything here. So this is my blog, you can find my blog, that link is also there in the description. Okay, so Learn with Gomes is my blog. So here you can see, like I'll be posting about the opportunities. So here you can see the exciting opportunities for Power BI. So I'll be posting this, you can watch that. Okay, so any other queries, if you want any personal like 1:1 mentorship or guidance, you can schedule a call here. So that's all for the today's video. So I'll be meeting you soon with another exciting opportunity. If you are looking for some other opportunity or any other technology, please comment that, I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you, take care, I'll meet you soon in the next episode.